In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 beautiful colours that you can mix from Prussian Blue. So you can get lots of beautiful colours from Prussian Blue. You can mix it with lemon yellow and get some lovely bright greens. You can mix it with pinks and get some sort of moody purples. But I wanted to come up with 3 more unusual colours for you to mix today. So I've got some Talens Rembrandt Prussian Blue here. I'll list all of the brands and the mixes in the video description, so don't worry about remembering them as I'm painting. What I'm going to do first of all is mix you a colour that will get you painting denim. So if you ever had to paint a person or people in a crowd scene and you want to get that exact colour of denim jeans, what I've got here is Prussian. I'm going to add some Payne's Grey to it. And this is a fairly watery mix, so you don't want to do this too dark. Of course, you can vary how much of each colour you put in and how light and how dark you do it. I would say it's about half and half this mix, but do experiment because each brand is slightly different. And we're going to just grey that Prussian Blue down. I'll put a little bit of water on my brush as well. And then let's apply to the paper a little bit on the grey side there. Let's add some blue back in. Here we are, and this is a fantastic colour for blue jeans, and of course for faded blue jeans you just add more water. If you are enjoying this video, can I ask you to do me a quick favour? Can you please click that like button, that thumbs up button? If you like, share, subscribe, or leave me a comment here on YouTube, all of these things are free. It will help my channel to grow and I can teach more people like you how to paint and draw. So I've cleaned my palette, and for our next mix we're going to make a nice soft grey. Now the colour I'm going to add is a red oxide. Now just to tell you a little bit about red oxide pigments, they vary hugely. Within the red oxides there is a massive range. They go all the way from very red right up to very brown, and they can be issued under very different names, but it's all the same pigment or variations of the same pigment. So your red oxide may be called red oxide, it may be called English red, it may be called Venetian red, it may even be hiding as an earth colour, or it may be called in some ranges light red. It's basically a brick red colour. As I said, it varies greatly. So I'm going to add some of this red oxide. I'm going to keep adding until our mix starts to turn grey. You can get quite a sort of soft lilac grey with this mix. It's really great for things like cloud shadows actually. So let's apply it. It's going to be quite dark. Again, to make it lighter, we're just going to add more water. Would be a fantastic colour for painting doves as well. It's a beautiful, soft, slightly lilac based grey. For our last mix, I'm going to make you a beautiful olive green. A bit like the colour of my nail varnish, but perhaps a little bit brighter. What we need for this is a warm yellow, and it doesn't really matter which one. I'm going to use a Diarylide yellow by Jackman's, but you could use an Indian yellow, a cadmium yellow deep, any of those warm sort of egg yolk looking sunshine yellows. And again, we're just going to add this second colour until it starts to change. You can see we've got one version of a green here, but we can go even warmer than that. Until we get a beautiful olive green. As with all greens that you mix from a yellow and a blue, you can take this in any direction. You could, for example, add a lot more of the yellow and go lighter and brighter. Or you could indeed add more of the Prussian back in and go a bit darker. I hope you can see here you've got a fabulous range of vibrant, strong, natural looking greens. Thank you so much for watching this 3 essential tips video. Before you leave this video, don't forget to have a look in the video description. I've got lots of free stuff down there for you. I've got free downloadable PDFs with art tips on. I've even got a free watercolour painting mini course that you can take. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this one, and you can watch another one of my videos right now.